Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable SSH password login on your AWS EC2 instance step by step clearly. Start by connecting to your AWS EC2 instance using SSH. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command with your instance's public IP address and your key file. Enter the command sshirkeyfile.pemec2 user at your instance IP. Once logged in, navigate to the SSH configuration file. Type the command sudo nano/etc/ssh/sshd_config. Locate the line that says password authentication yes. Change yes to no to disable password authentication. Next, find the line that says challenge response authentication yes. Ensure this option is also set to no. After making these changes, save the file and exit the text editor. To save in Nano, press Ctrl and O, then press Enter. To exit, press Ctrl and X. Now, it's time to restart the SSH service for the changes to take effect. Type the command sudo systemcll restart sshd. Make sure to verify that your SSH configuration changes did not lock you out. Open another terminal window and try to connect again using your key file. Ensure that you can access your EC2 instance without issues. If successful, you've successfully disabled SSH password login. Remember that you should always have at least one working SSH key to avoid being locked out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.